first box, and we have, oh man, okay, we have 60 batteries, very important. Now we can make some videos with the trains running on the track. All right, let's do some unboxing. Mail time. A lot of trains in here. Yep. Oh, okay. Blah 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 blah. First we have a log car, a troublesome truck, yellow truck missing the front coupler. I think this one belongs to Emily from the Splish and Splash Splosh. Correct me if I'm wrong. Anyways, we have Carnival car, toy company, very nice. A water tanker, refreshments car. Well, actually it's just the top, so we need to pull it like that. There is some people right there. Black caboose or brake van. Sodor coal depot. This does not flip. There are some that it flips, but this one doesn't. See inside the passenger car. This is the dining car. Very nice. Pop out clown. I don't know what's the name of this thing called, but it's a circus car where when the train runs, when the train goes along the tracks, it slides the clown out of the tent. Very nice, very nice. Let's begin. So we have Henry Trackmasters 2 or Trackmaster Revolutions. I had to lower the exposure on my camera. It was very bright. Well, Henry works great. That's excellent, Henry. Trackmasters Revolution. Percy, look at this. What is this thing doing out of its place? A little dusty. I don't think that's gonna work. There is a corrosion. Actually, there is a rust. I had to try it, but not working. Another Trackmaster Revolutions Percy or Trackmaster 2 Percy. This one looks good and it works. Nice, nice, fine, excellent. Hero is missing the tender. This one is toy company and works. A little loud. It needs a little cleaning also. We need to, so we can fix that in another video. Now I am just gonna test which ones are good, which ones are not, and then we can make fix and repair videos. Yeah, so we have a lot here today. Spencer also toy company. Here is the front, the back needs some touch up, little cleaning, and there is a little corrosion. Even with the battery corrosion, still works. Little loud, easy fix. We can do that in next videos coming soon. Yeah, good. Spencer with tender. Now we have Dash. This model actually is very clean. Just a little touch up here. Battery contacts very clean. Very smooth and quiet. Can you hear? No, you cannot even hear it. Oh, I can hear now something. Looks like we need to replace the motor. You hear that buzzing sound? It can be fixed or replaced. We'll fix that later on. I was lucky to find this one with a good coupling, good battery terminals, comes with the battery cover. See, most of these models are broken. This one is a toy company. The wires look okay. Let's see if it works. I don't know if the wires are snapped or no. I don't see any response. No, it is not working anyways. Yeah, I tried with 3 volts and nothing happened, so we need to fix. What is this? There is some sort of marks. stress marks on the front. Okay, we have 2009 Gordon broken coupling. I will show you what I'm doing with these couplings later on. This needs some touch up. I don't know if it works or no. Battery contacts, battery terminals look. Oh, it works. Looks clean. It might need some deep cleaning. See, there is a lot of dirt and some I don't know what's that. Is that grease? I don't know. Anyways, but it works. That's good. And it's pretty strong. Pretty strong. Talking Gordon Mattel. I don't know why they did not paint the windows, cab windows yellow. Sometimes I do paint them yellow. Needs a little bit dusting. See, what I do is I get a big painter's brush. It's very gentle with the models and clean the dust that most you find in those small areas. That's what pretty much I do. And then you can use toothbrush with rubbing alcohol and get rid of the other parts that you can access. Okay, 2000, is this 2009 or 10? 2010 Mattel Talking Gordon. Let's see if it works. Oh, I see some rust here. I guess I gotta replace that, and I'll do that in another video, of course, obviously. First, let's see if it works. Ooh, I can hear. Noisy, slow. Noisy and slow. Yeah, I see a lot of hair right there. That might be causing the problem. Also, the coke that makes the noise is the problem too. That's good. That's good. Excellent. And this model, Percy, Tomy. I don't know why the Tomy ones are always in this condition. But anyways, oh, it's this tab is broken, crooked. What's going on? We cannot even bring it back. Anyways, all right, let's continue. Where's my battery? And Percy looks, the battery terminals looks good. I'm gonna tell you, this rubber ring, oh, it's twisted. I thought it was toasted. Yeah, it's old. It needs to be replaced. Makes a little noise. It's very strong. I'm gonna say very strong and fast. Nice Percy. I guess I'm gonna use this for parts. I could use the top. I cannot use the chassis. The chassis, it's yeah, it's missing those corners right here, and it's very old. I have a lot of spare Percys around. This one at least is well packed. Nice packing. Two troublesome trucks. These are Tomy. Nice. They look very good. I'll put them right there. Then we have another black caboose. Excellent. Good. Emily's passenger car or coach. Tomy. And we have, oh, I remember this cow. Is this? Please remind me. I think this one comes with it's for the livestock. I mean, I don't know what's the name of it. I think it's cow something. Comes with I forgot the character. Anyways, great boxcar. 2001 Thailand. This is some repair car, whatever, a little hopper car. And let me see. We have a soda fuel tanker. Good. Plarail. This is part of Steam Alone. I don't think Steam Alone is coming. And we have Gordon. Nice. Okay, let's put some batteries. Fresh batteries, and Gordon works. I gotta make some room. Yeah, works nice. Gordon Trackmaster 2 or Trackmaster Revolutions, whatever you want to name it. Nice working condition. Excellent. tender also. It fell off. Anyways, tender also in good condition. Nice. Harvey is only where is my painter's brush? See, I'm gonna getting rid of the that dust. These painter's brush are very good to get rid of the dust. The dust in these models, very nice, excellent. So it's only Harvey. There's no motorized coach coming on this set. But let me tell you, Harvey, it's nice. It needs a little touch up. Fresh eyebrows. And the last we have a Gordon's passenger coach car. Good. Not bad, actually. Very nice. That is a good mail time.